Hi, my name is Galina and I'm here all the way from Mother Russia, Moscow City. What you're not supposed to tell to me. If the girl likes you, she's always gonna do like this. Hey girl, what is your number? I wanna talk with you after. No. For sure, how tall you are. This is my concern. Always show how tall you are. He's looking in the eye and he's smiling. Done. What's make me swipe right? I'm really picky. Better to be chubby than skinny, I'm telling you. I don't want to feel fat and you're the guy, you know. And after 15 minutes, he was so into telling me how to penetrate his anus. If you're dirty and just smell bad, smell, it's a really important thing. If I'm on Tinder, I'm probably looking for a hookup. Please, never and never counting your money in front of the girl on the date. Once I did really bad thing.